Google just dropped a bomb in digital marketing. Gemini AI is now powering YouTube and DV360, making ad buys smarter and creative tweaks instant. Brands can now predict user moves, match with creators using AI, and hit a 76% ROAS boost, all while keeping it privacy first. This is the new era of precision, speed, and ROI for advertisers. Building a chip factory that aims for 1 terawatt of compute, Musk's Terafab in Austin is about to shake up the AI world. This $20 billion project plans to outpace TSMC and Samsung, powering billions of robots and space-based AI with next-gen 2nm chips. Turns out, Cursor AI's hyped Composer 2 coding model is actually built on top of Moonshot AI's open-source Kimi 2.5, not fully homegrown. After an independent analyst exposed code links, Cursor admitted only a quarter of the compute came from Kimi, with the rest trained in-house, all under license. This move highlights the messy reality of global AI, open-source power, cross-border dependencies, and the ongoing tension between transparency and corporate strategy. Luma AI just dropped Uni 1, a model that beats Google and OpenAI on logic-based image benchmarks and slashes costs by 30%. Uni 1 powers Luma agents, handling creative work across text, image, video, and audio for major brands. It can plan, refine, and generate assets while keeping context, even turning a $15 million ad campaign into localized versions in 40 hours for under $20,000. AI agents are flipping the script. WeChat just embedded OpenClaw, letting over 1 billion users run multi-step tasks straight from chat. Tencent, Alibaba, and Baidu are hustling to turn your phone into a one-stop AI command center, blurring the line between apps and agents. But old habits and privacy worries mean the classic app icons aren't dead yet. China's tech giants are racing to own your first prompt. Forget random AI guesses. Adobe's Firefly custom models let you train AI with your own art, finally locking in your unique style. Now in public beta, creators can upload 10 to 30 images to build a private model that nails consistent illustration, character, or photo looks. With over 30 integrated models and new editing tools, Firefly is pushing creative control and privacy to the next level. A 400 billion parameter large language model just ran on an iPhone 17 Pro, smashing expectations for on-device AI. Using FlashMoE and streaming from SSD to GPU, Apple's phone handled a model that usually needs 200 gigabytes RAM, though at a snail's pace of 0.6 tokens per second. This breakthrough hints at a future where even massive AI models could run privately on your phone, no cloud needed. A phone with 100x zoom and a next-gen Tensor G6 chip is about to shake up the flagship game. Google Pixel 11 drops in summer 2026 with 4 versions, packing dual 48-megapixels cameras, wild AI features, and a 6.3-inch 120Hz OLED display. Expect killer 4K video, up to 12 gigabytes RAM, and a 4,700 mAh battery, all priced to take on Samsung and Apple. Imagine a world where even the CEO needs an AI sidekick to run the show. Mark Zuckerberg is developing a personal AI agent to help him make decisions faster and cut through Meta's management layers. This move signals a future where AI isn't just for employees. Leadership itself might get automated. Meta just dropped an AI support assistant for Facebook and Instagram, promising lightning-fast help and smarter content moderation. This move means less waiting for password resets, stronger scam detection, and a major shift from human to AI-driven support. But it's also sparking debates about job cuts and privacy risks as AI takes over more moderation duties. Video in ChatGPT is here. That's the code, hinting OpenAI is about to drop its Sora video generator right into ChatGPT. Users could soon create AI-powered videos directly in the chat interface, blending text, images, dialogue, and sound. While the feature is still in testing and not globally available, this move could turn ChatGPT into a full-on multimedia creation beast. OpenClaw just got a hardcore security upgrade. Nvidia's NemoClaw stack is here to lock down your sensitive data. The new open-source stack slaps enterprise-level privacy and policy controls onto OpenClaw, letting AI agents access texts, emails, and credit cards without sweating leaks. Now, companies can run always-on AI assistants with strict guardrails, making agentic AI way safer for real-world business.